1995 Porsche 993 Carrera for Coupe. Price: $129,950. Location: Oregon. The 1995 Porsche 993 Carrera for Coupe represents the end of an era, the final chapter of Porsche's legendary air-cooled 911 lineup. For enthusiasts, this alone makes the 993 incredibly special. But beyond its historical significance, this car delivers a driving experience that feels raw, mechanical, and deeply connected, something that modern cars often struggle to replicate. The exterior design is timeless. Finished in Grand Prix white, this Carrera carries a clean and elegant look that highlights the smooth curves and iconic silhouette of the 911. The integrated bumpers, roof-edge spoiler, and 17-inch cup-style wheels give it a sporty yet refined stance. It's a car that doesn't scream for attention, but effortlessly commands it wherever it goes. The heart of this machine is a 3.6-liter flat-six engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This combination is exactly what driving purists dream of. The power delivery is smooth yet engaging, and the all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip and stability. Whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway, this 993 offers a balanced and confidence-inspiring ride. The interior is classic Porsche, simple, functional, and driver-focused. The gray cabin creates a clean and understated atmosphere, while features like power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, and an electric sunroof add comfort for everyday usability. Small details like the analog clock, video gauges, and JVC audio system bring a nostalgic charm that enhances the overall driving experience. One of the standout aspects of this particular example is its extensive documentation. With over $45,000 in service records spanning nearly 3 decades, it's clear that this car has been meticulously maintained. It also includes a clean Carfax report, original factory literature, and even the original window sticker copy, details that collectors truly appreciate. The 993 generation also introduced a multi-link rear suspension, significantly improving handling compared to earlier models. This innovation makes the car feel more stable and refined without losing its classic character. It's the perfect blend of old-school engineering and modern driving dynamics. The 1995 Porsche 993 Carrera for Coupe is more than just a car, it's a collector's dream and a driver's machine. With its iconic design, proven performance, and well-documented history, this is a rare opportunity to own a true piece of automotive heritage that continues to rise in value and admiration.